another episode of ShadeTV. My name is Marissa Hill, and we are continuing on our cops from Yeezy Day. I know you thought we were done, but we're not done here at ShadeTV. Today, we're going to be talking about the Yeezy 500s. These are in the Supermoon yellow colorway. Let's take a quick sneak peek. Welcome back, everyone, to another unboxing and review. If you're new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe right now. Give this video a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to leave those down below. Hit that notification box. We do have a ton of heat coming out that I don't want you to miss out on. Also, be sure to check out that join button for amazing membership perks as well as our amazing merch store. Today, again, we are continuing on our Yeezy Day pickups, which have kind of just straggled their way into my home. So we now have the Supermoon yellows. We're going to go through the overview of these, talk about size and fit, since I did switch up my size this time. Then we'll talk about how I styled this really cool pastel yellow colorway, and then conclude with how these are currently doing on the resale market. So this is just a beautiful monochromatic colorway. I definitely was excited that these were going to be re-releasing on Yeezy Day. These originally released as a pack, so you actually had to buy the entire pack, which would have cost you around $700. But then these did have another wider release, so you were able to get these separate. But originally these were debuted in 2018 in June. So as far as the color combination here, again, just this really nice kind of light pastel yellow. In different lights, it almost has a khaki feel to it, but you can see that the suede is just nice and soft and tumbled there, and that nice yellow colorway. We've got more just tumbled leather here, and then that same color scheme going on to the mesh. As we work our way up to the tongue, we do have this pull tab here and kind of a light yellow, but it has a different kind of darker shaded yellow, still in a pastel zone, but lots of yellow hues just going on throughout that upper. We do have monochromatic laces which blend quite nicely with that yellow tone as well, in that light hue of yellow. So let's take a look at all of those details and then move along to the side paneling. All right, so working our way to the side paneling, more of that yellow mesh and overlays of that just tumbled yellow leather. As we work our way to the back, we've got more of that differentiating material in the back, which we've got the suede, the leather, and the meshing. Yellow for the interior and white for the labeling for Adidas and Yeezy on the interior. And then we've got the adiprene on the midsole here, and more of that same yellow color scheme, which works its way to the bottom of the outsole. So let's take a look at those final details, then talk about size and fit on these. right, so as far as size and fit goes, I actually have felt like these have been running quite small. I've been going just half a size up. So this time I really wanted to actually test out the 8.5 by going a full size up from my 7.5. And I feel like full size is the way to go on this silhouette. So again, I like to have extra space. My toes are already honestly at the front of the toe box in these. So going a full size up is perfect for me. I felt like my feet were a little crunched in the size 8, which was only going up half a size. So I highly recommend going a full size up in these, especially if you're someone like me that likes to wear thick socks and you like to have extra space in your sneakers. All right, so now let's jump into styling. Again, really cool, easy colorway to work with. I honestly don't have this hue of yellow in my current sneaker collection, so I was happy to snag these on Yeezy Day. For the first look, I really wanted to play actually off of some Stranger Things pieces that just released in H&M, and I feel like that color combination really works well with these sneakers. The first look, I decided to wear a Hawkins button-down tee that had a nice yellow hue to it with a white tee underneath and some nice light denim jeans. Second look, I wore a Letterman's jacket, which had some nice yellow hues and green hues, which complemented the sneaker quite nicely. I wore a cropped tank underneath that with some simple just shorts in a gray color scheme. And for the last and final look, kept it pretty simple with all gray with a cropped gray tank and a matching pair of cropped pants. All right, so you let me know down below, what was your favorite look of the three, or how would you style it? how these are currently doing on the resale market. So these retailed at $200 on Yeezy Day, and they are currently going between $200 to $300. Congrats to anybody who copped these. I think this was one of my favorite cops of the day, and definitely a very just cool colorway option that I think I'm going to be able to wear throughout the different seasons. All right, that's it for this unboxing and review. If you joined us for the first time, thank you so much. Hit that subscribe on your way out. Give this video a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, leave those down below. Hit that notification bell because we do have a ton of heat coming out that I don't want you to miss out on. Also, be sure to check out that join button for our amazing membership perks as well as our merch store. This is ShadeTV. My name is Marissa Hill. We'll catch you all in the next episode.